Assalamualaikum. Today's topic is gastrulation. Here I am discussing about the gastrulation. What is gastrulation? Gastrulation is the movement of cell from embryo exterior means outside to the interior means inside. And during gastrulation, the cells that move included endoderm, mesodermal cells, and notochordal cells. Mesodermal cells and notochordal cells, they are also called chorda mesoderm. Gastrulation is actually a rearrangement of cell in the blastula. Blastula is the stage in which the blastocele is formed. First stage is cleavage, and after cleavages a ball of cell is formed that is called morula, and between the cells a cavity is formed which is called blastocele. Because of the presence of blastocele, the embryo is called blastula. And then now I tell you how the gastrulation starts. It starts with the formation of a blastopore. Blastopore is the pore through which the cell migrates during gastrulation. And as a result of cell migration, the three germ layers are formed: ectoderm, endoderm, and mesoderm, which later form organs. Blastopore in protostomes develop into mouth. Protostomes, already you learned about that, include all the invertebrate phyla. And deuterostome included hemichordates, chordates, and echinoderm. So this book is related to the chordates and hemichordates. We will discuss chordate and hemichordate mostly. Invertebrate already learned in the paper A of the third year. So in deuterostome, blastopore develop into anus and mouth develop as a new opening. As a result of gastrulation, a sphere or disc-shaped blastula is a round or disc shape. It is transformed, it is converted into a folded double layer gastrula. The embryo is called gastrula during the gastrulation stage. During gastrulation, a new cavity is formed which is called archenteron, that later on develop into gut. Gut means digestive tract. The opening of the archenteron is called blastopore. Blastopore is basically the opening of archenteron, and its rims means its surrounding area, its boundary is called lips. They are called the lips of the blastopore. Blastopores have different lips: dorsal, ventral, and lateral. All are important for the gastrulation. Now here the gastrulation is actually the rearrangement of the cells of blastula into a three-layered embryo that is called gastrula. So these three layers are called ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderm. Ectoderm, that is present outside, endoderm present inside, and mesoderm in between ecto and endo. Endoderm form digestive tract, ectoderm form your skin, your nervous system, your sense organs, and mesoderm form your mesodermal tissue included blood, bones, obviously cartilage means skeleton, and other organs other than digestive tract, and also included your nephron, your kidney. Each germ layer, they are called the germ layer. They are not the germs. They are not pathogenic germs. They are the germ layers that develop into different organs in the adult organism during stage called organogenesis. The next is how we discuss about the gastrulation in different organism. Always we first discuss about Amphioxus, which is a cephalochordate in which the notochord extend up to head area. Cephalo means head. So in case of Amphioxus, first cells that move called endodermal cells. They fold, they move into the blastocoel, and then the embryo become cup shape and a cavity form called archenteron that later converted into digestive tract or gut. After that, notochordal cells, they move. Notochordal cells are the cells that later on develop into vertebral column invertebrates. So the notochord move inward and become the roof of the archenteron roof, and mesodermal cells, they migrate inward. Then after that, mesodermal cell move, first endodermal cell move, then notochordal cell move, then mesodermal cell move. Mesodermal cell move in such a way that they form the layers, one layer above the notochordal cell, one is below the notochordal cells. So the notochord and the mesoderm combinedly called chorda mesoderm, in which the notochord present in the center and mesoderm present on both sides of the notochord. Blastopore present, and it marks the posterior end of the embryo. Posterior means last end, means caudal means tail end. Notochordal and chorda mesoderm, they both form archenteron. They are considered to be chorda mesoderm, or notochord and mesoderm. They form the roof of archenteron. Ectoderm present outside of the embryo, and after that the cilia present on the ectoderm, and the embryo start moving, start rotating. This is the stage. This is the blastula. This is blastocoel. And these are the layer. What is the meaning of presumptive? Presumptive means future endodermal cells. And here the cell migration take place, and the new cavity is formed, which is called archenteron, and this is called the blastocoel, which is reduced in size, and archenteron increase in size. This is called remnant, means remains left. And presumptive means future. This is the presumptive notochordal cell. Notochord is an axial skeleton that later converted into your vertebral column in the vertebrates. Vertebrates have 5 classes: fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. This is the stage we show that archenteron is fully developed and blastocoel disappear. This is the dorsal lip of the blastopore, the ventral lip of the blastopore, and embryo become cup shape. And this is the structure that show all the layers: ectoderm outside, endoderm, and this is archenteron, this is the notochord, and this is the blastopore.